Hey guys, it's Charmsyloo here. So I have a really quick haul video for you guys today, and I went shopping in Chinatown in Pennsylvania, and I also went shopping on eBay. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. So first I'll start with Chinatown. So I went to this really cute kawaii shop, and they gave me this little baggie, which I've always wanted, a Sanrio baggie. It's really cute. It says "Small gift, big smile." And there's Hello Kitty in all her gloriousness. So yes, I got that. And then I got two squishies from there. First thing I got was this chunky donut, and it's sprinkled with various different flavors, and it has like a little Mickey Mouse Cabochon, which is really cute. It's not slow rising, but it is pretty squishy. And I have to show you guys the back. It is so funny. So it says, "Num num, but don't eat me. I'm not real." So cute. So yeah, this squishy was $4.50, in case you guys are wondering. And then the next squishy I got was also $4.50, and it was this orange chunky donut. This one is really cute. I love the little cherry on top. It's a little bit harder than the other one, but it also feels like a little bit better quality. So yeah, that's really cute. And it also has the num num thing on the back. These also smell really good when you take them out of packaging. I also got a Memopad from there. So the first Memopad out of many that I'm going to show in this video is this little twin stars Memopad. And I love little twin stars, so I was really excited to find this. They are so adorable. And here's the back. Oh, and you guys, can you guys tell me like if this is actually genuine, authentic Sanrio licensed? Because I'm really not sure. The back just looks different because don't they usually have like the designs on the back also? And like the cover just feels kind of like flimsy, and it doesn't have the plastic covering. So yeah, I'm really not sure. But regardless, it is really cute. So this is the first design. And then this is the second design. I love Kiki and Lala. They are so cute. But I'm not really sure. Are they like siblings, or are they like couples, or are they like best friends? I'm really not sure. So you guys should tell me down below what you think they are. So yes, this is the first Memopad I got. And then from eBay, I got many more Memopads. I will leave the sellers down below because I'm really satisfied with the service, and some of them really gave me a lot of extras, which was really cool. So anyways, this is the Memopad I got. It's a Patissier Mate 1. It's really cute. It's really good quality too. So it comes with stickers. And these stickers are for decorating a cake, which they provide for you. I'll show you guys. Oh, sorry, just moved the camera. But yeah, I'll show you guys the cake. So cute. And then this is the first design, which is also my favorite design. And then the second design. And I think the Japanese writing is actually recipes, which is really cool and unique. And then the third design looks like this. And then the last design looks like this. It's like a little book thing. That's cool. So I got that. And then I got 4 more Memopads because I am a crazy lady. So I got these 4 Mamagoma Memopads. And they're all really, really cute. So first I got this cuddling one. And here's the first design. Sorry guys, I'm trying to go quickly from now on because I don't want this video to be like 20 minutes long. And then here's the second design. And these are genuine, and these were only $9.99 for all 4 and free shipping, so it was really, really a good deal. So yeah, I'll definitely leave the link down below to the seller if you guys are interested. And then I also got this Mamagoma Memopad, and this one is so super cute. This is my favorite design, because look at it guys. Look at it, so many Mamagomas, I love it. And then the second design looks like this, which is also really cool. So yes, I got that. And then I also got this one, which is like Mamagoma playing, curling in a ball, super cute. This is the first design. This is the second design. Oh my gosh, they just fell asleep right after eating. Food coma. So cool. I mean, not cool, but like, I mean, it's funny. So yeah. And then here's the last Memopad I got. This is the first design. I love all the colors. It's very pastel-y. And then this is the second design. So yes, that is my haul, and I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I will definitely be uploading more videos from now on. I will try to upload at least every single day, so I hope you guys will appreciate that. Sorry guys, I'm just like tripping over my words today. This is actually like my 7th time filming this video. So yeah, sorry guys, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Stay kawaii!